One of the most common questions I get is why in my spreadsheet have some of my numbers got crosshatches and why are some showing me the total values? Well, the reason it actually happens is that in some cases Excel can't show you the full number that is calculated from whatever formula you've got or whatever value is actually in that particular cell. And it's specific to dates and also to numbers. So in this case here, what you'll see is that I've got a formula C5 times D5, which is given a bigger number. Now, all we need to do to fix the problem is just simply resize the physical column width. And all we do is we come up to the top of column E, resize to the right, and you'll now see it shows the full value. So when it's actually in the crosshatch value, the values are still technically correct. So if you were to use that cell in another formula, it would have no impact on it at all. It is simply just a visual issue to tell you that, hey, we can't show you the value correctly, so therefore we'll give it an error, which is the crosshatch. And that's all there is to it.